back to another video. Today we're going to do a toy review for L.O.L surprise dolls. So as you can see, these I have one big sister and two tiny little sisters. Let's see if we can make any matches today. Which one should we start with? Big or little? Big or little? So we're starting with this one. Okay, so now let's open it. Now we'll open the second layer. So let's open up the ball. Okay, it's this way. Okay, so we've got our checklist. Cute little tiger bag. Where is it in? Be careful you don't get it squashed in there. So let's open the first layer. Baby out, and we got, I think I know who we got. Okay, let's take our checklist. We got Sugar. Okay, so now let's open up. Then we got her nice dress on. Let's put her shoes on. And we got another surprise. So let's open it. Oh, she got a nice halo. Okay, let's put her headband on. She looks just like an angel. Got a cute little bottle. Squeeze. So there's a last baby. So now we're going to open it. So don't stop, keep peeling. Okay, we won't stop and we'll keep peeling. Let's get out, baby. It's dark in here. And we got a shiny baby. Okay, let's see which one it is. Just stare at her for a moment. Looks like we got Little Kitty Queen. She's super cute. Okay, let's open up her accessory. She got a cute little kitty bag. So she can stand in the cute little kitty bag. Looks like she got little shoes. I don't think these are big enough for her. We could give them to our big sister, or we could give them to Sugar. Let's see what she looks like. Take off her old shoes and put on some new ones. One shoe on and the other shoe on. Got cute little shoes. I love my cute new shoes. So we'll put those aside. So this is all of the L.O.L dolls I got, and they actually my Christmas present. So I kind of lied. I actually had 5, but I already opened 2 of them. So, but now you know what they are. So let's see if they color change. So you might have noticed that these little balls, so those are for color change. But I think we need to upgrade this a bit. So, look, it just magically, we kind of didn't upgrade it, but yeah. So this is the cold water bowl and the ginormous hot water. It's like really hot. So let's start with you. Okay, so let's see if she color changes. Nope, I don't see anything. Sorry, you don't color change. Let's do a little sugar. Okay, let's just dip it in. Nothing. Can't see anything. Nope, she doesn't color change. Okay, put her aside. Now let's see this little cowgirl, baby. Do you color change? Nope, I don't do anything. Don't color change. Do you color change? Nope, no color change. Oh, we gotta find where the color changes. Do you color change? No, she doesn't. Wait. She does no color change. We didn't find any that color changed. But because they can't color change, they could just swim. Whee! I'm doing backstroke. Okay. But these two have another special ability. Let's see what you do. Oh no, I think she cries. Oh no, I think she cries. She cries. She cries. Ah! Oh my gosh! Her cry! Her tears! They're humongous! Why are you crying? I wanted my little sister. You have the other little sisters to play with. Right. Whee! So while these five have fun enjoying their nice hot summer day, let's leave them to it. I'd like to thank you all for watching me on YouTube. And I hope you come and visit my channel again. And if you haven't already, subscribe and please also like and share if you can. That's not enough. So, see you guys next time.